Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where you stand. Run a speed test and record download and upload Mbps so you can compare after changes. Next, make sure you have admin access, SSH or the web GUI, and the necessary passwords. Before changing anything, export the router or modem configuration and save it locally, because once you modify bandwidth profiles or firmware, you want a fallback. Once done, restart the device to clear transient issues and keep your notes handy for the next step. You now apply changes that affect real throughput. Check for and install the latest stable firmware. This often fixes throughput bugs. Reboot after the upgrade. Next, tune quality of service by prioritizing essential traffic and removing restrictive bandwidth caps on key devices. Then inspect physical and link layer settings. Set the correct channel width for Wi-Fi, choose the least congested channel, and verify Ethernet duplex and speed match both ends. Make incremental changes and test speed after each adjustment to measure impact. You finish by validating results. Run comparative speed tests from wired and wireless devices at different locations and times, then compare to your baseline. Once satisfied, save and lock the configuration, schedule periodic reboots if needed, and enable monitoring or syslogs to catch regressions. If speeds remain low, try one key troubleshooting step. Swap Ethernet cables and isolate access points to identify hardware faults. If that fails, roll back to the backup config and escalate to your ISP with documented test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.